Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for this TP-Link Deco Wi-Fi 7 mesh router. I've already been using this for a month now, and this is a great mesh router to have in your house if you want to get rid of all your dead zones. So let me show you how this unit looks and how well it works and how easy it is to install. So this is how the product looks. This is the Deco. You see the top has little openings here. It looks very nice and stylish. You see on the back, it has 4 Ethernet ports, which is great because you can attach the main internet cable here, and then you have 3 more Ethernet spots that you could plug into. So you could use it for your smart TV, you could put this onto a computer, and you can even hook this up to a gaming system. Then it has the USB 3.0, and then here's the power. Then it even has the WPS button right here. So this is the 3-pack. So I have this in 3 different locations in my house, and this works very well. The speeds are very fast, and this is a great mesh router. So let me show you how easy it is to set it up using the app. So this is the app that you have to use, the Deco app. So once you click on it, your router name, and then the different mesh routers that are connected. So I have the 3-pack, I have my backyard one, living room, and upstairs. And you can see how all the lights are green and it shows the different signals. And then you're able to see which devices are connected to which mesh. And it shows the speeds. And then it shows your main, your guest, and your other. This is a great router because this holds up to 10 gigabytes of speed, and this thing is blazing fast. And you can easily test your internet speeds, your Wi-Fi settings, and you can set up the security, pair controls, and even more. This app works great with it, and setup is very easy. All you do is just you use the app to set up everything. So this sets up within a few minutes. If you're interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great Wi-Fi 7 mesh router. I like how it looks. It's made very well. I like how it has the 4 different Ethernet ports. It makes it easier to hardwire 3 other different devices on here. I like how it has the USB 3.0 slot and the WPS. So this is a great mesh router. The speeds are fast, and this works very well